What up though YouTube, this your boy 2Fly Graffiti back today with another video. So if you watch my unboxing video, then you already know what time it is, and if you read the title, you know what time it is. We're gonna make this one short and sweet, get straight to the point. This was a sneakers W, so sneakers finally showed somebody some love. So I thought it's a special day. I thought I'd bring out my Kurt Angle.
But let me ask you this, you got one of these? I didn't think so.
You know what I mean? Jacket of my Olympic jacket, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, y'all see what it is, man. Y'all know what time it is. We're doing the Air Jordan 13 Red Flint. So before I even jump into the shoe, like I said, I did get these off of Sneakers. So shout out to Sneakers for showing love with all of these draws. Like, that's the new thing. I mean, you know, it is what it is. You know, hopefully it makes things easier, but I did get these when they came out. FedEx supposed to do 2-day shipping, didn't get here for like 4 days, so, and then I went out of town, so I didn't have a chance to make the video, so I'm a little bit behind. So normally, you know, when I do a review, I talk about the shoe, I show y'all the shoe, and at the end I do the on feed. But when I'm late on stuff, I feel like it's kind of like too much to just be like doing all that talking again, because y'all done seen the shoe a million times already. So I'll just have it as B-roll throughout this video. The following video though, it's gonna be back to normal. We're gonna have it at the end, but let's get into the shoe. All right, so boom, as y'all can see right there, Air Jordan 13. What that say? Air Jordan 13 Retro, Gem Red, Black Flint Gray, White Rules, Gem Red, Grease Pierre. Yo Pierre, you wanna come outside? And Noir. So, I already took them out the box if y'all seen my other video. Y'all see that I stabbed my box too. I don't know what I was doing. But, let's get straight to it. All red, Gem Red boys. Crazy, like I said, no color grading in none of my videos. This is how the color looks. So, if it look like it's popping, it probably is. So, these joints do have 3M on them, I think. Pretty sure they do. Let me take the other shoe out. It's the right shoe. Oh my bad, I'm all up in the camera all close. Man, it's hard when I'm looking at the screen over there. Bear with me. These is nuts. All right, so boom. Air Jordan 13 Flint, Red Flint. Gem Red boys. Now, you know, when they put the red twist on shoes, sometimes it don't always come out right. It be overdoing it. But these, since we seen them PE versions, we knew these was a slapper. Crazy. Like, now the question is, are they gonna do these like they do the bread version of, you know, where the gray is a different color of the 13s, where they've done a blue, red, of course, a light blue, hyper royal, whatever, purple, like yellow. You know what I'm saying? Like, are they gonna do that with these and make this red and yellow? That I don't know if yellow would even hit with that gray. I don't know what colors. Which I think what colors would hit with off the red. I don't know, cause it's going hard. It's going crazy. Stop playing with it. Now I do have right here the OG, the regular French blue Flints. Now I just peeped on MJ 23-year-old Dan's picture. The 90s version of this shoe is dark. Like, this is actually pretty light. It used to be a navy blue, but then it went to French blue. But what y'all think? Hold on, let me see. What y'all taking? Red or blue pill? Y'all blood, y'all crip, y'all whoop, or y'all career? What y'all doing? You feel me? Like, I call these the Nipsey and the YG 400. You feel me? All money in 400. Crazy. Last time I checked joints. Now, would I be crazy if I came out the house with one on? And one, like, you know what I mean, one of these and one of these? Nah, I wouldn't do that, dog. First of all, I live in California. Bloods and Crips gonna roll up on me and be like, fam, what? Like, you feel me? I don't even want them problems, but yeah, these is, and they sitting. Crazy enough. Let me compare them bottoms, the Matrix bottoms. They sitting. First of all, I ain't peep. I was matching with the, come on, bro. You see the blue and this Kurt Angle right here. Come on. The wrestling machine, y'all see it? This is Kurt Angle right here. Stop playing with me. I'm the Olympic gold medalist on y'all today. Now, like I said, these are sitting. They done restocked on the internet like 30 times already. I don't even know if they probably sold out on sneakers, because sneakers tricks you by selling everything out to make you think that everything is selling out. But these nuts, hold on real quick. One little thing that I ain't feeling. Let me make sure ain't no crazy glue stains and nothing like that. 13s, they always be like around like this area you would get a glue stain, but and in the back, of course, it's a couple glue stains right there, but nothing too crazy. But why is there a black Jumpman, bro? Now let's, for comparison's sake, Navy Jumpman, or UNC, whatever you want to call it, black, like, they could have went red, or they could gray. I don't know if black was the best choice. These joints is 13s be so wide when you unlace them, boy. This like, look how wide these shoes is compared. Like this is of course factory lace. That joint wide as ever, but of course I'm never coming. This is Drake. This is how Drake ties his shoes. We never come in Drake with our shoes. But yeah. What y'all think, man? Which one is better? The on feet is rolling throughout the video, so y'all can see. I'm gonna do a little on feet with both shoes just to see, you know, a little comparison. Cause I didn't do a video of these when I got them, and this was a W that I loved. I got these during the Last Dance. Right before it came on, they dropped them. They shock dropped them, but they dropped them to where you had to go on a sneakers browser to get them. So I was on the app and it wasn't working, and I went to the browser, got them, boom. I was driving into like my garage. Thank God I ain't drive through the house, but yeah. Feel me? Boom, 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 double boom. Enough of the French Blues. I know y'all ain't come here necessarily for them, but I just wanted to compare them. But here we go. Here go both shoes right here. I'm making just noises. I ain't even talking. I ain't gonna lie though. These is like, it's one of these shoes is where, this is one of them shoes where people be like, don't care because there ain't a lot of hype. But I'm one of the people where if I really, really like the shoe, like it's love. Like Shadow Gray Jordan 1 is my favorite Jordan 1s. I don't think that shoe got a lot of hype. Like you think about Chicago's and Bands, Breads, whatever you want to call them. I think about Shadow 1. That's why I need that reverse pair, or 2.0 pair. But I'm the type of person like stuff like this really excite me. Like these is crazy, yo. With the right fit, nuts. And I'm gonna get in my bag when I put these on. So yeah, I know I'm doing a lot of talking, a whole lot of whatever, but these, and the craftsmanship is really good. I don't really see, bro. Kind of think about it, I don't see no glue stains. I know in the back it looks, it thought it was, it's just the fabric. That's the fabric. I mean, I don't know if that's a glue stain or not, but let's see if I can put that in the camera if I can see it right in there. It's too close, it's too dark. But it's a little imperfection like right where my finger is. But yeah, these are straight. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, man, follow me on Instagram at X2Fly Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Y'all wanna know what pants I'm wearing? The link gonna be in the description because they always ask. So I'll make sure I put the link in the description. Follow me on the gram, follow at 1021 Porsches, and stick around for the next video. Yeah, tell me what y'all think about these in the comments. Peace.